Introducing Remote Home Survey from Jumptech. As soon as a customer submits an inquiry, they receive an easy-to-follow survey to gather information about their home, from their exact address, to their energy usage, and their consumer unit, meter and incoming supply, and for photos and video footage, so you can see exactly where their charger will be installed and a clearer view of the cable run. The information is uploaded directly into Jumptech's back-office software, so you can quote and schedule the work. The benefits? Inquiries are qualified faster and quotes are right first time. It's the easiest and greenest way to remote survey homes and businesses. The branded experience gives customers confidence in the quality of your service. And the survey information is fed directly into Jumptech's field service management platform, so you can go seamlessly from quote to scheduling the job and arranging your trades. Ready to qualify your inquiries with less effort? Book a live demo now